What you got? You got a fish? Reel it in. Here, you gotta turn this over. Here, hold it with this hand. Now reel it with that hand. Push, go that way.
Okay.
Yeah, reel it in. Good job. Keep reeling. Lift the pole up in the air. Keep reeling. You're doing good. Here, dude. Let me help him. Okay, let's reel it in. Let's hold the pole up in the air so that the fish doesn't get off. Good job. Reel that sucker in. Keep going. You're doing good. Reel.
Okay.
Yeah, keep reeling it. There you go. Good job. You're doing it. Look, it's coming. It's coming. It's a little fish. You caught a real fish. It's a big one. See him? He's swimming right there. Oh, keep reeling it. Good job.
A salmon.
Right there. Keep going. Yeah, there he is. Keep going. No, this one. Keep going around like that.
Salmon.
Oh, cool.
Yeah!
There he is.
Good job! That's not too little.
Keep reeling it, buddy. Good fish. Let's bring it up here.
Oh, a nice rainbow.
Caden's first fish. Whoa, stand up, buddy. He's all tangled up in your line. Ooh. Oh, he's all tangled up big time.
Do we make a live well?
Yeah. Cool. How big is
You want
he?
your
Look,
stringer?
Caden! First fish, you want to touch it? Oh! Cool, huh? Oh, I see him.
Mommy duck and babies.
Caden, did you catch a fish today? Huh? You don't need to be shy about it. Did you catch a fish?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah? And some cheese.
Caught some wild cheese.
What a goon.